Struggling to create a custom drop-down in SwiftUI? Watch this step-by-step tutorial to learn how to build a professional reusable drop-down menu for your iOS application. So this is the app that we'll be creating. It allows the user to select one or many hobbies from the list, and within each selection of the hobby it highlights what the user has selected. In this tutorial, we will add the multi-select drop-down SwiftUI view to the content view. Within your content view, type the following: @state private var selected hobbies, which is a string, an array of string. So we create a new instance of a string object, and then we can delete line 13, add a navigation stack, within the navigation stack we add a B stack, and then we add our form, and then we add our multi-select drop-down. And then we pass our array of selected hobbies to our drop-down to populate our drop-down so that it can be reusable within any view. On change, we use the onChange event to detect when a value has been selected from the drop-down. And then we just display the actual selected value or values within the print statement. Selected hobbies, which is the array. On change, that should be a capital C. Then after line 23, we add our navigation title. Please select one or more. Navigation bar title display modes will be inline. Now I just compile it. That should be inline. Compile it again. It's compiled. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.